Good afternoon, guys. This is Dr. Keith with EF2 Realty Team and Keller Williams. We're here with Aaron Veris from Georgia Platinum Mortgage. He's going to be answering some questions for us that you've asked for. Make sure you subscribe so you get all the good video content. We post videos every Friday. Today our question and topic is about finance. So we've got new clients coming in all the time, Aaron, and they want to know what do they need to do, how do they get prepared to get their first home loan.
I think the first thing that we're going to go over is certainly they got to give me a call and I need to take an application.
Okay.
I'm going to ask for items such as name, social, date of birth, and address, and this will allow me to pull credit.
Okay.
Because we have to have a credit report in order to pre-qualify someone.
So one of the things that sort of comes up and it's a little bit uncomfortable is the client, that's our client, wants to know how much you're going to tell about their information to us. So can you reassure our potential clients that you really tell us very little?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely. The only thing that the realtor is going to know is what is on that pre-qual letter,
Okay.
and that is the dollar amount that you are pre-approved on and the type of loan.
Okay. It seems sort of complicated. Is there a checklist or anything that we could provide?
Absolutely. There is. As the lender, I need to collect certain financials, and it's a decent amount of financials.
Okay.
And I can certainly give that checklist and provide it to y'all.
Okay.
That I need items such as W-2s, pay stubs,
Stuff
so on
I'd have
and
to
so
dig
forth.
around for. What type of loans are out there and how do you match them up with our potential clients?
Well, it all comes down to every loan can be tailored to a certain type of client. For example, there's loans out there for military.
Okay.
There's loans out there if you buy a property in a rural area, and especially loans for first-time home buyers.
Okay.
And everyone is different, no matter what. But after the conversation that we have, after I take the application, my job as a lender is to find that perfect loan tailored specifically to you.
So you'll ask them some questions that might appear a little bit probing, but you really need that information so you can put the right loan to the right person.
Absolutely.
Right? Okay, all right.
Absolutely.
I think that makes people feel a little bit more comfortable. One of the things people always ask us, which they I'm sure ask you, I want to be within this dollar amount for my mortgage payment, and they don't want to pay too much interest. They know interest is normally not good. So how do you factor that in? And
so your interest rate is derived upon credit score and loan to value. And for just a rough estimation, if you're ever curious to see how much would be my mortgage payment on a $200,000 property, we usually estimate $7 per thousand.
$7 per thousand. Now, on the interest rate, can that fluctuate over the time of the loan, or is it pretty well locked in, or is it just different for different?
So there are two different kinds of loans that we can do. Ultimately, we can do a fixed loan or an adjustable rate mortgage. Now, personally, we never really do ARMs. ARMs is not a good way to go. Now, the most popular loan that we usually do is 30-year fixed.
Okay.
That is the most popular kind of loan that we will.
This is another big question that always comes up, especially when we were talking about first-time home buyers and they don't have a house to sell. They're coming out of maybe renting or they're out of college and they're thinking about buying their first place. What kind of down payment and how much do they need to get a home?
So there is, in terms of how much for the down payment, it comes back to what kind of loan is tailored for them, whether we can do 100% financing for specific types of loans, or the most popular one that we have is 3% down. And that money can come from your checkings and savings account, or it can come in the form as a gift. If you have maybe a parent, a sibling, or even an aunt and uncle, they can gift you that.
Let's say they're pretty excited and they really like going out with our buyer's assistants and they really are doing really well looking at homes. How long will it take for them to get funded through you guys?
In our industry, the rule of thumb is a month, but with Georgia Platinum Mortgage, we have been known to close loans within 3 weeks.
Are there any things they should try and avoid doing? I mean, obviously they're working with you guys. What are some of the warning things that you tell people, like, don't do this, you know, it could wreck everything?
Please do not open up any new credit.
Don't get any new credit or credit cards. That's the first thing.
Correct. No, even if that Camaro looks good, please don't buy it when you are applying for a home loan.
And if they've got a job, keep their job.
Absolutely.
Don't change jobs during this process.
That is correct.
It may mess everything up, and it'll mess the letter up, and it'll mess the deals up.
Yes.
And
absolutely.
Just be truthful and do that, and I think everything will work out great. We have a special gift for those that have stuck around and listened to our entire video with Aaron here and Georgia Platinum Mortgage. We'll have a PDF in the description below that you can download and keep, and it'll be a checklist of all the important materials that you listed, like W-2s, income tax, probably check stubs, like proving you are gainfully employed, those kind of things. That'll be in the description below, so you can download that. That'll be your free gift from us, EF2 and Georgia Platinum Mortgage. All right. Well, this has been Dr. Keith at EF2 Realty Team. If you haven't yet, make sure and subscribe below. Down here, we'll have our free checklist from Georgia Platinum Mortgage, which we're very glad to have. It'll be in the description below, and you can click on that, download it, and then you too can get your home loan and get up with our EF2 Realtor team, and they can take you out and go shopping. All right? Well, thank you very much for being here today. We appreciate your time. All right, awesome. So this is, again, is Dr. Keith with EF2 Realty Team. Make it a great day or not, the choice is yours. Bye now. That's all right. And someone's phone rang this time.
By the way.
It was his.
It's
No.
Bruce.
It's Bruce again.
Buddy, we're trying to record
we're
here.
trying to record. Bruce did it again.